Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So today I am going to be doing another review, another day. And this time it's going to be on a very requested product, a very requested brand, a very requested app. I never thought I would be buying makeup off of an app, but I did. And everyone's been requesting it, and I went onto this website called Hush, and you see little views of it here, and basically it's an app where you can buy super cheap makeup. But one thing that I noticed about this app is that it's basically identical products that are from the high end, you know, like high end. So it's like they have lookalikes, they have literal lookalikes, and no shame in their game type of lookalikes. Like they ain't got no shame in their game type of lookalikes. They're not technically fake, or they're not putting them on or selling them and saying that, hey, these are Subculture palettes, or hey, these are Anastasia palettes, or hey, these are Huda Beauty palettes. They're making similar looking ones, which in my point of view, I don't 100% agree with, because it's not fair to people who put many years into creating their products, many hours into creating these great products, and then you have someone coming in, copying the identical thing and then selling it for like super cheap. So I don't agree with the products that are being copied. It's just not my style. I'm not into that. There is so many ways to be original and create your products to be the same, but I understand the market that they're trying to push into. There is definitely a market who loves affordable makeup and who loves dupe makeup. Definitely. You know, this wouldn't be the first time a brand has copied another brand and like made a cheaper option, and I'm a firm believer of there's room for us all. So I guess I'm not gonna knock the brand, but you guys know, like I don't like ripping other people off, so I respect everybody. So the palette that I'm going to be testing out today from the Hush app is the Aura palette. So it's created by Bad Habit, and this is called Aura. So Bad Habit is basically, I have no idea. The packaging is legit. The only thing is, this part is not legit. Does that not remind you of a palette called Prism? It reminds me of the Prism palette. Doesn't that remind you of the Prism palette? Reminds me of the Prism palette. But, yeah, so we're gonna just test this out, see how it wears. Okay, so no lie, you guys, this is actually very, very beautiful, and your girl is gonna go in on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color Mystique right there, and I'm going to buff that into my crease. This is the test, you guys, of real pigmentation, because you guys know I always say matte does not ever work for me. Like, pigmentation on matte is what proves if a palette is bomb or not, because mattes are always hard to show up on me. So let's see. It doesn't have a crazy smell. Ooh, okay. The pigmentation isn't bad, y'all. I was a little scared to put this stuff on my face because, you know, I don't know what's in this, but I'm pretty sure it's not that bad. But let me tell you guys, this pigmentation is off the heezy. And it's like a matte too. Comment down below if you want me to compare, because I have the Prism palette too by Anastasia. And I'll compare that to this if I have to, if you guys want me to. Just let a girl know. It's not bad, you guys. I'm going to tell you that. It's a little patchy, but it's not bad. I mean, I think I spent $12 on this. I'm not sure. Come on now. You can't tell me you don't see that pigmentation. You see it. We all see it. And yes, the dream is to have my own beauty products and my own eyeshadow palette. Like, I definitely want to make my own eyeshadow palette one day, you guys. And best believe I will not be selling y'all a $40 palette. Like, if I can do everything it takes in my soul not to sell a super expensive palette, you better believe that's going to be me. I'm going to go in to deepen the crease. I'm going to go ahead in with this color Vibe. And I'm going to focus only on the outer corners. Just smoke it out on the outer corners. So this color Vibe, it's going on pretty good, you guys. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? That looks good to me. The texture is nice. Like, I don't know. It just looks really nice. The fallout, there's barely any fallout. Barely. So easy to blend. Like, the blendability is really good. It's a little patchy, I'm not gonna lie. You guys know I have no reason to be lying about products. It's a little patchy, but it's buildable. Like, it can be patchy, but buildable. And that's the thing with me, like, eyeshadow can be patchy, it could be patchy, and I'll be fine with it, because as long as it's buildable and pigmented. Because a lot of the times these eyeshadows, you know, they'll just be pigmented, but you can't blend them. I'm just gonna go in with this color Destiny right over there, and I'm just gonna put this color Destiny. This is where the test is also gonna happen, because this is a glimmer color. And I'm going to put this color on my lid. Okay, you guys. This lid color is here to stay. Like, it's really nice. It's not crappy. The glittery colors have a little bit of fallout, but I think that is the case with a lot of glittery colors. But pigmentation of the glittery color is amazing. Does not look bad at all. As you can see, the fallout is real though. The fallout it's there. There's definitely fallout. So you can just brush off the fallout. You know? Is pretty real. So guys, the fallout is pretty real, but the pigmentation is super bomb. Do you see what's going on my eyes? Like, it looks amazing. There's nothing you can say that doesn't look good. I feel like my eyeshadow looks pretty solid and pretty bomb in my opinion. And then just to do a highlight color on my lids, I'm going to go in with this color Phenomenon, and put that into my lids. Right there. It's going to be a perfect inner corner highlight. So let's just blend that all together. It's pretty good. It's no denying it. I'm not going to be a bitter person because this is a knockoff to the Anastasia palette. I love Anastasia, but lately some of the eyeshadow palettes just haven't been 100% where I want them to be. I've always been a fan. I buy every palette that she creates. Just haven't been impressed with all of her palettes lately, but I was super impressed with this palette that is, I think, $12. Still don't know the price of it, but I'm still pretty impressed. I thought the pigmentation was like spot on. It looks really good. It's definitely not an Anastasia palette, but it's definitely not something to skip on either. Okay guys, so it's almost the end of the day for me. I went ahead and, you know, wore this almost all day. This eyeshadow is so good. I was really impressed by the Aura palette. Not impressed by the Copycat, as you guys know. I already vented about that. But other than that, I felt like this Aura palette from the Hush makeup app was very solid. Do I recommend you to buy it if you're on a budget? Girl, yes. If you're on a budget, a $12 eyeshadow ain't gonna hurt nobody. You know, like, it's a great palette for anyone to purchase and wear. I really, really liked it. I was very impressed by it, so go ahead and get you one. So I'm also going to review the Aphrodite palette in a next tutorial, in the next upcoming videos. This was also purchased from the Hush website and makeup app, and I can't wait to review that one too, because that one's the exact dupe or the exact copycat of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And if you've been on my channel for a while, if you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I love that palette. So it's going to be really cool to see which palette performs the best. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, if you're enjoying what I've been posting. I will see you guys in my next video for sure. Also, I am on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All my handles are right here. Those are all Glam by Runa. Don't forget to follow me on those areas too to updated with my daily lifestyle and all sorts of different content. So I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah. Bye!